Stop tailgating. And that was a cutoff, and a left turn dive. Okay, thank you. And cutoff. Oh. Red, Toyota, red. Dumbass. Especially in these times. Well, go, dummy, go. Well, yeah, go ahead, cut him off, no problem. I have a stop sign, you don't, but, you know. No, you fucking lame lady, thank you. It's cut off. That lane in, stupid. Oh, no, he's back there, okay. And then he X dives, okay. Move over, slow down, okay. Dude! What the fuck? Get up to speed, you shithead, before you pull out. Obvious. Whoa! Don't hit him, Grandpa. Jesus Christ. Hi, yield. Hey, free couch. What are you doing? X-diving? You're X-diving, okay. You're in the red, Toyota. Hey, you have the same trick on the... Yeah, okay. Is that the same trick from earlier? God damn it, dude. Ass is on fire here. 505-2906. I think that is the same guy. Oh, there he is. No light sticker.
Prius alert!
Maybe go that way. Okay. Go! Fucking Prius, go. What are you doing? Oh, God. Prius! Prius! I think it's turned red, didn't it? No. Yellow. Did Red. You just ran the red. I think those blue lights are illegal. Go. Again. Yeah. Go that way. Casita Wendy's emergency. Needed a biggie.